Crews from Sunriver and Lapine knocked down a potentially dangerous fire this afternoon. There were concerns about ammunition and propane tanks igniting inside the structure. Around 12:20, calls came in about smoke billowing from a garage or shop on Stellar Drive south of Sunriver. In less than 20 minutes, firefighters stopped the flames from spreading to any nearby trees and houses. The shop was destroyed, and some of the cars parked around it were damaged. Specialized equipment was used to fight the flames from outside the building.
The taxpayers have blessed us with the appropriate tools to be able to carry on our toolboxes, which is our engines, and we certainly had the right tools to get into this metal shop based on what we're carrying for extrication purposes.
It took about 2 hours to completely put out the fire. The cause is under investigation.